All right, this is Mark Burdett with Cerasis, and here today I'm with, what was your name again?
Rick Weisbarth.
Rick,
Yep.
Rick, thank you.
No problem.
With Laser Marking Technologies, and basically we kind of were walking by, saw what you had here, thought it was pretty cool, and we wanted to see what's kind of unique or interesting, something about your company that you can tell us and people watching this.
Sure, a couple things that we're doing now. We're in the general purpose marking business, so that allows us to get into a lot of different areas, a lot of different companies. So we get into electronics, medical device manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, all of that. But on top of that, we've kind of branched out. We're working along the lines of doing some laser welding, and we're also building towards some large area marking that is fairly new to the industry, able to get into large areas without having to move the part around. So
Absolutely.
That's something that's fairly new and can solve some problems for customers that have to currently buy gantry systems that cause a lot of motion.
Sure. Okay. So kind of just to bring it back full circle with the people who are coming onto this through our blogs and information regarding transportation and supply chain, what are either any issues that you have currently in regards to shipping or anything that's really kind of important to you?
Yeah, so for us, one of the big things is, as the name implies, we've got a laser inside of a cabinet, and to do that, we have to move that beam around. So we're using mirrors, we're steering that beam around. It becomes pretty important to have some delicate handling of what it is that we're trying to move around. You can bash these mirrors around and cause misalignments, which then, obviously, once the customer gets the equipment, they've got an issue. So it's important to us to make sure that we've got people that understand that, take care of our equipment really well, ship it really well, and when it arrives, there's not all of these recalibrations that are necessary.
Absolutely, yeah. And as a partner company, in logistics, understanding our customers' freight, and for any company that's handling delicate freight like this, it is very important to kind of know what you're dealing with.
Yeah, you can get, we've had those instances where that hasn't happened, and therefore you start looking for people such as yourselves where that can take that type of equipment and treat it the way it needs to be treated.
Absolutely. Well, again, thank you so much for your time, and for anyone here kind of watching the video, once again, Laser Marking Technologies, and thank you very much for your time here at Fabtech.
You're most welcome. Thanks a lot.